Hey everyone, it's Matt from the Ghost Script. 9 years of hard work has finally paid off. I hit a milestone recently, 100,000 subscribers. When I first started making videos, I never dreamed of accomplishing this. My very first video, the Itsy Bitsy Spider, is what started it all. I originally made the video with the intent of just pacifying my 1-year-old. I used Microsoft Paint and like an old version of Adobe Premiere to make this video. And I recorded it on, I think it was like a $100 keyboard. The vocals, I didn't even have a microphone. I used a camcorder to record the vocals. It was far from amazing, but my kid loved it, and I decided to upload it to YouTube, and it went viral. Today it stands at 37 million views. It's earned me over $55,000 since then. The best part is it's allowed me to make a career out of making videos. Let's open this thing up and take a look. So first of all, we got a letter here. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations." Look at this. It looks a little different than the ones I've seen, like the older ones. I think this is like the new style. Check that out. Presented to the Ghost Script. Yeah, that's nice. Gonna have to hang that on the wall. And I want to personally thank all of you out there for watching and subscribing and sticking with me all these years. Thanks so much, and stay tuned for some more awesome videos.